How to get ESPN on Firestick. Step number 1. Sign up for ESPN Plus. On your computer or phone, go to the ESPN Plus website and create an account. Choose your subscription plan and complete the registration. Step number 2. Go to the Apps section on Firestick. On your Firestick home screen, navigate to the Apps section. Scroll down and select Sports or use the search function to type ESPN. Step number 3. Install the ESPN app. Select the ESPN app from the results, click Download or Get to install the app. Step number 4. Open the ESPN app. Once installed, open the ESPN app, navigate to the ESPN Plus section in the app. Step number 5. Log in to ESPN Plus. Select Login and note the activation code displayed on your TV. On your computer or phone, visit the activation page at espn.com/activate. Enter the activation code and log in with your ESPN Plus accounts. Step number 6. Start watching. After logging in, your Firestick will sync with your ESPN Plus account. Browse and enjoy live sports, exclusive content, and more directly from the ESPN app.